Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow WAV, Cooper's Plains. Our phone number is 0738481382, and today we have a 2012 Mitsubishi Lancer ES sedan, stock reference number 4031. The shape runs from the 7th month 2007 through to the 10th month 2015. It has a 4B11 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by an automatic front-wheel drive transmission. 4B11 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. This vehicle has sustained damage in the right-hand front with the left-hand headlight. This vehicle's fitted with factory 16-inch alloy mags. The left front has a good tyre. Left power door mirror does have some scratches. Both left-hand doors appear to have no damage. Left rear 16-inch steel rim with a good tyre. We have the left tail light. Left boot lid garnish. Boot lid's got a bit of a dent, as you can see, surrounded in yellow. Right-hand boot lid garnish. Right-hand tail light. Right rear 16-inch steel rim with a good tyre. Right power door mirror, very light scratches. Right front 16-inch steel rim with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle's fitted with black cloth interior. It's got a black cloth centre console lid, automatic type console, automatic gear shifter, heated controls, single stack CD player, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, left sun visor, right sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 3-spoke steering wheel with cruise and audio buttons. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.